Hi, I'm Robin at Marbles Kids Museum. Today we're going to explore hand-eye coordination, fine and gross motor skills, all using a hammer. Welcome to Hammer Time. For this activity, you'll need a hammer. You can use a lightweight hammer from your toolbox, or maybe like a wooden mallet. There's so many ways to engage play with a hammer. Today, I'm going to show you 3 examples. The first activity I'm going to show you is flower pounding. You'll need flowers and things found in nature, paper, and a lightweight hammer. For flower pounding, I'm going to take these flowers that I found in nature and put them between 2 pieces of paper and pound them with my mallet. All right, let's get my paper out. I've got a pretty pink one and a red one. All right, now I found these kind of cool berries. All right, I'm gonna put this. These all came from our marbles garden. Let's pound. Let's see. Oh, I see some yellow from the yellow leaves, some purple, some squished berries. Look at this green from the green leaves. You can find all kinds of things in the garden. Next example is splatter paint. It's pretty messy, but it's really fun. You'll need some paint, paper, and your lightweight hammer. With splatter paint, you're going to put dollops of paint on your paper and hammer them. Let's try it. I drew this fun little fish to make a splatter fish, but you can do anything you'd like. Let's put some purple dots. Some red dots. All right, let's splatter. That's a really messy splatter fish, but boy, that was fun. When it dries, I can draw in an eye, or maybe even cut it out to look like this splatter fish. The third activity is whacking watermelons. For this, you'll need some golf tees, a lightweight hammer or mallet, and a watermelon. You don't have to use a watermelon. You can use a pumpkin, apples, any kind of fruit or vegetables in your house. You're gonna take your tee and whack it right in. Now that your tees are set, you can smash them all the way in. This is really popular with kids. They'll have a blast doing this. Watermelons in the summer, and you can do pumpkins in the fall and call it pumpkin pounding. Thanks for joining me today. And remember, whenever you're using a hammer, be sure to have a grown-up around. Share your Hammer Time activities with us at Marbles Kids Museum social media. Until next time.